Okay, good morning students. Now I am going to explain second problem, third problem again because yesterday class some videos are not clear for based on second and third problem. First problem video is clear, but second and third video is not clear. Second problem and third problem video is not clear. For this reason, I am going to explain again. Now question number second: find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of the points. That point will do the line AB segment in how many parts? 3 parts. Size trisection. Now you are going to consider it is A, it is B. Now it is A and it is B. The coordinates of A and B are 4, -1, 4, -1, and -2, -3. And -2, -3, and -2, -3. Here, find the coordinates. We have to find the coordinates of the point. That points will make AB line segment in how many parts? 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay. Then AB line segment becomes trisection 3 parts when after plotting some points on line segment. The line segment becomes how many parts? 3 parts. Trisection, 3 sections. To make a AB line segment in 3 sections means we have to plot 2 points. We have to plot how many points? 2 points. Then only the AB line segment becomes how many parts? 3 parts. When we are plotting 2 points, then we have to consider it is P point, it is Q point. Then only AB line segment become how many parts? 3 parts. First or second or third? First, second, third. First, second, third. Then after plotting 2 points, AB line segment become how many parts? 3 parts. Trisection. Trisection means 3 sections. Then we have to find the coordinates of these 2 points. Okay. 3 section means it becomes 3 equal parts. It becomes how many parts? 3 equal parts. Now it is total. If it is 30 centimeter means 10, 10, 10. 15 centimeter means 5, 5, 5 like this. 3 equal parts means all the ratio. If all the parts are equal, means if ratio becomes 1:1:1. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Go trisection because 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Then we have to find the coordinates of P and then we have to find the coordinates of Q. By which formula? Section formula. Okay? Section formula. Then we have to find the coordinates of P. Then the coordinates of P considered as x, y, x, y, x, y. It is repeat problem. The network problem, much better. In second and third problem video is not clear. For this reason, I am going to explain this problem. Second and third. Okay? Then Px, y is equal to, then what is the section formula? M into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, then m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, then the coordinates of Px, y. Okay, now AB line segment is considered as x1, y1. It is considered as x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now, if x1, y1 means what is m1 and m2 is very important. If keep in mind, students, after plotting P and Q, AB line segment become how many parts? Trisection 3 parts. 3 parts means 3 equal parts. Then the distance of AB is 1 unit. Distance of PQ is 1 unit. Distance of QB is 1 unit. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 units. Then we have to find the coordinates of P. P and find the coordinates of P means we have to decide this one is height. This is height model, Q point. Okay. Then find the coordinates of P. Then P point will divide AB line segment in what ratio? P point will divide AB line segment in what ratio means the distance of AB is how much? 1 unit. It means M1 value is 1. Okay. Then what is the distance of PB? PQ is 1 unit, QB is 1 unit. PB means 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 units. Then the distance of PB is how much? 2 units. Therefore, M2 is equal to how much? 2 units. It means P point will divide AB line segment in 1:2. 1 into 10, 2. Therefore, M1 value is 1, M2 value is 2. Therefore, m1 value 1, x2 value is -2 plus m2 value is 2, x1 value is 4. Did m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. Then m1 value is 1, y2 value is -3 plus m2 value is 2, y1 value is how much? Y1 value is -1 divided by m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. Y1 value is -1. Then p of x comma y is equal to plus into minus, minus 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, plus into plus, plus 2 4 are 8, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus into minus, minus 3 1 are 3, plus into minus, minus 2 1 are 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Sorry, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then p of x comma y is equal to -2 plus 8, -2 plus 8 is plus 6 by 3 is equal to -3 minus 2 is -5 divided by 3. Then p of x comma y is equal to 3 1 are 3 2 are 2 comma -5 by 3. Therefore the coordinates of x comma p are 2 comma -5 by 3, 2 comma -5 by 3. Therefore the coordinates of p are 2 comma -5 by 3, 2 comma -5 by 3, because 3 trisection means 3 parts. 3 parts means 3 equal parts. The distance of AP, because to AB line segment at 3 parts I divide ಮಾಡೋಕೆ we need 2 points in between A and B. Then only it become trisection. If you plotting only 1 point means it will become 2 section. We need trisection. 3 section means we have to plot 2 points. Then P and Q. The distance of AP equal to distance of PQ is equal to distance of QB. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Then the we have to find the coordinates of P means P will divide AB line segment in 1 raised to 2, because 1 unit. Then PB 1 plus 1 2 units. Therefore m1 value is 1, m2 value is 2. Okay, then we got the coordinates of the P. Then we have to find the coordinates of Q. Same formula, and the external value is same. Instead of P we have to find Q, because what will happen here, okay, now we got the coordinates of P. Okay, then now we have to find the coordinates of Q. It means Q will divide AB line segment in what ratio? X1 and Y1, X2, Y2 value will not change. Okay, ratio will change. Q will divide AB line segment. P will divide in 1 raised to 2. Then Q will divide. Then Q means what is the distance of A2? Distance of A2 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 unit. Q distance is 1 unit. Therefore M1 value is how much? 2. M2 value is how much? 1. Because Q will divide AB line segment in what ratio? 2 raised to 1. Sir, how? AP distance is 1 unit, PQ distance is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 units. Therefore, it is M1 value is 2. QB is 1 unit. Therefore, M2 value is 1. P will divide 1 raised to 2. Q will divide 2 raised to 1. And x1, y1, x2, y2 will not change. Here, M1 and M2 value will change. P will divide 1 raised to 2. Q will divide 2 raised to 1. Then Qx comma y, as it is, what is the value of m1? M1 value is 2, m2 value is 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Again, it is 2, it is 1, 2 plus 1. Therefore, plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4. Plus into plus, plus 4 on the 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. Plus into minus, minus 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 4 they cancel. 0 by 3 nothing but it is 0. Minus 6 minus 1 is how much? Minus 7 divided by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of Q are 0, minus 7 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of Q are 0, minus 7 by 3. 0, minus 7 by 3. 0, minus 7 by 3. P will divide 1 raised to 2. Q will divide 2 raised to 1. And x1, y1, x2, y2 will not change. Okay. Now, it is the second problem. Then third one. Before going to start a third problem, we have to draw a diagram of a question number third. Okay. Now it is a playground. It is playground. Okay. In a playground in the shape of rectangle. Playground in the shape of rectangle. Rectangle shape alide. Then AB, BC, CD and ED are the sides. Okay. According to coordinate geometry, if we consider this diagram, this rectangular diagram in Cartesian plane, we have to apply this situation in Cartesian plane. Means AD, it is a horizontal line. Sorry, AB is horizontal line, AD is vertical line. AD is vertical line. It means AB is considered as x-axis, AD is considered as y-axis because it is coordinate geometry. We have to consider the situation Cartesian plane. Then AB is considered as horizontal line, but it is x-axis. AD is vertical nothing but y-axis. This one is the situation. Okay. Here there are 10 lines is there. There are how many lines? 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 lines towards A to D. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. The distance between each line is how much? 1 meter. The distance of each line is how much? 1 meter. The distance of each line is how much? 1 meter. Towards A to B. A to B. From A to B, there are 10 lines is there. The distance between each line is how much? 1 meter. The distance between each line is how much? 1 meter. The distance of each line is how much? 1 meter. Okay, first point 1 meter, no problem. Then from A to D, there are 100. From A to D, there are 100 flower pots is there. There are how many flower pots? 100. So now 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 10, 100. For this reason, I am considering 10, 20, 10 plots, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Because Cartesian plane 1, 2, 3, 100 ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. For this reason, from first one to second position, 10 flower pots, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are how many flower pots? 100 flower pots is there. The distance between each flower pot is how much? 1 meter. Again, the distance between each flower pot is how much? 1 meter. There are how many flower pots? 100 meter. There are 100 flower pots. The distance is how much? 1 meter. 1 meter from each flower pot. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ here in from here x-axis, the difference between two lines is how much? 1 meter. Here the distance between one flower pot is how much? 1 meter. No problem. Okay. ಒಬ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The position of the ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ is second line. Okay. ಅವ್ರು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ towards AD. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ towards y axis ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ as it is the straight ಮೇಲೆ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, is moving. How much place, how much distance is covered? Is covered second line is covered 1/4 of the total distance. First one is covered 1/4 of the total distance. He covered Niharika covered ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ this one towards AB. A horizontal line, in horizontal line the position is second line. For vertical he covered 1/4 of the total distance. Total distance is how much here? There are 100 flower pots. The distance between each flower pot is 1 meter. Means the total distance of AD is how much? 100 meter. How much? 100. Sir, ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? There are 100 flower pots is there. The distance between each flower pot is 100. For this reason, the total distance of AD is 100 meter. In that 100 meter, he covered 1/4. 1/4 of the what? 1/4 of the 100. 1/4 of the what? 100. Then 4 1 ja 425. Therefore, he covered how much meter? 25 meter. He covered 25 meter. It means second line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 25 meter. Therefore, Niharika x axis, second line means x axis value is 2. Second line means x axis value is 2. Y axis, how much distance? 25. Therefore, y value is how much? 25. Therefore, the coordinates of the Niharika 2, second line and away from starting away from 25 meter to starting point. Is away is the distance from the distance covered is how much? 25 meters. Second line at 25 meters. Niharika is over. Next, you know, bro, Preet is on 8th line. Preet ಅನ್ನೋ 8th line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು as it is run ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, as it is run ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, as it is run ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, as it is run ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 1/5. 1/5 of the total. 1/5 of the total. 1/5 of the total. 1/5 of the 1/5 of the total means total distance 100 is 5 on the 520 is there. Therefore the coordinates of the Preet, the coordinates of the Preet, the coordinates of the Preet are Preet. X axis according to ಯಾವ line ಇದೆ? 8th line. 8 means x value is how much? 8. Then how much distance it traveled? 5 on the 5 to therefore y value is how much? 20. It means ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಪ್ರೀತ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Then what is the distance between two flags? What is the distance between two flags? It means what is the distance between Niharika flag and Preet flag? What is the distance between Niharika flag and Preet flag? What is the distance between Niharika flag and Preet flag? Sir, indirect ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ situations ಅಂತ coordinates ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. coordinates ನ situation form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Okay, what is the diagram? What is the use of diagram? To find the coordinates of the Niharika and Preet. To find the we have to find the coordinates of Niharika and Preet with the help of this diagram. Second line means x value is 2. Then towards 1/4 of the 100 means 1/4 into 100. 25 means it is y value. Here 8th line means x value is 8. What is the value of y? 1/5 of the 100 means 20. Therefore y value is 10. Then what? ಇವರು ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೀತ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. Then what is the distance between the two flags? Indirectly we have to find the distance of NP. How we can find the distance of NP? With the help of which formula? Distance formula, because x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, no problem. Another one, Rashmi. In between Rashmi ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? 5th line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The position of the Rashmi is 5th line. Exact ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇವರು exact ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Exact middle half way. ಇದು AB ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ half way ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Exact middle position. Then what are the coordinates of the Rashmi? What are the coordinates of the Rashmi? ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ? ಸಾರಿ, Rashmi ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಟು ಸೇ ದಿಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Rashmi flag is exactly middle of Niharika plot and Niharika flag and Preet flag. Niharika flag and Preet flag exact ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then what are the coordinates of the Rashmi? First we should find the distance of NP. Then we have to find the coordinates of Rashmi. ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then how we can find the distance? Now the coordinates of N and it means now the coordinates of N and P. The coordinates of P are 8, 20 and 2, 25. Then find the coordinates of the R. First we should find the distance between two flags. Find the distance between two flags means Niharika flag and Preet flag. Niharika flag and Preet flag. Okay, then how we can find distance? Now it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. How we can find distance between two flags? With the help of which formula? Distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore NP is equal, what is the value of x2? x2 value is 8 minus x1 value is 2 whole square. Then what is the value of y2? y2 is 20 minus y1 value is 25 whole square. Therefore 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 is position from distance from starting point y axis. Then we have to find the value of x and y. Indirectly we have to find the value of x and y. Exact middle means R will divide NP in how many equal parts? 2 equal parts. Exact middle point means in what ratio will divide? 1:1. In divide what ratio will divide? 1:1. Midpoint. Half means midpoint. Then how we can find the coordinates? With the help of section formula or with the help of midpoint formula. Because in midpoint formula R will divide in the ratio of 1:1. It means M1 and M2. M1 and m2. M1 value is 1, m2 value is 1. Or indirectly we have to find the value, we have to apply midpoint formula because we have to find the coordinates. Their coordinates are Rashmi coordinates x comma y is equal to, what is the formula? X2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Therefore, R x comma y is equal to, what is the value of x2? x2 value is 8 plus x1 value is 2 divided by 2. y2 value is 20 plus y2 value is 20 plus y1 value is 25 divided by 2. Therefore, R x comma y is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10 by 2 and 20 plus 25 is 45 by 2. Therefore, R x comma y is equal to 2 1 the 2 5 the x value is क्या line इधर है? Fifth line. The position of the Rashmi is fifth line. Niharika second line. Preet eighth line. Rashmi fifth line. Rashmi fifth line. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Therefore, it is a middle position. Same ratio will divide by 2. The distance between Niharika and third to fifth line is from 2 to fifth line. How much units? 3 meter. Okay. Exact middle length 2 to 5. 3 meter. Then 5 to 8. How much meter? 3 meter. Therefore, the position of the Rashmi is how much? Fifth line. Then 2 1 the 2 2 the 22.5. How much away? 22.5 away from the starting point. Okay. Or equal half line is there. 2 is there, 8 is there. Second line is there, Niharika is there, 8 line is Preet is there. Exact middle means 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. The distance between Niharika and Preet is how much? Sorry, Niharika and Rashmi is 3 unit, 3 meter. Then the distance between Rashmi and Preet is how much? 3 meter. Or exact middle, 3 plus 3 distance is same. The distance between 2 and 8. So distance between Niharika and Rashmi is 3 units and Rashmi and Preet is 3 units. Therefore, the position of the Rashmi is fifth line. Then these are how much away from the starting point? 22.5 meter. Preet is 25. So Niharika is 25 meter away from starting point. Preet is 20 meter away from starting point and Niharika is 22.5. Okay. And the coordinates of the Rashmi are 5, 22.5, 5, 22.5. Then fourth one. Okay. Find the ratio in which the joining the points of -3, 10 and 6, 8 is divided by -1, 6. Find the ratio. Find the ratio means indirectly we have to find the value of m1 and m2. Indirectly we have to find the value of m1 and m2 because coordinates is given divided by -1 by 6. -1 by 6 means p value is p coordinates are -1, 6. Then x1 y1 is -3 and 10 x2 y2 is 6 8. Then find the value of m1 and m2. ಇದನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.